With a professional grade path light, whether it's a Pro Trade light or an FX light, those things are meant to give you 15 feet essentially of illumination. Now, it's not going to be as bright 15 feet away, but you're still going to get the coverage within that 15 feet. You know, kind of like on irrigation, if you can triangulate your path lights every 15 feet, that's going to be the best application, the best thing to do. But many times you don't have that ability to be able to do that because on the opposite side of the sidewalk, there is not another landscape bed. So, you know, diagonal spacing isn't going to work in that application. So it might be a straight line, right? But, you know, a foot off of the walkway or a foot and a half off of the walkway, you know, every 15 feet is kind of how you want to space those things out. So kind of like as you look at an irrigation system, you know, when you're talking about laying out a landscape bed, you know, for me and my short little legs, it's every 6 steps. For you guys, it's probably every 5 steps. But, you know, as we walk around here and I place the flags and stuff like that, that's what I'm doing. Every 6 steps for me, bam, there's a flag that's going to be put in the ground to mark that path light.